Hi, I'm Hassan. In this lecture, it will be in our lecture number 5. This will be our lecture number 5. Um, we will discuss about the transconductance. Before we discuss it about the voltage amplifier, we discuss it about the current amplifier, we discuss it about transconductance, and we also discuss it about the trans. We are going to discuss about the trans resistance. In this resistance, the circuit will look like this. Gain is equal to I and V output divided by I input. Since we have input as current, we have to put our input here, and we have output V here, and we have to put it there. Okay, so in here we need to know about the impedance, because we were trying to get the gain and impedance. So the impedance in here, we will say if we need to enter the maximum I input in the circuit, it means our Z input should be less than R input, rs. It means Z in should be 0 ideally. Z in should be 0. Same like that, if we need to get the maximum voltage output in here, it means we have to also Z output to make it like double less than RL. Then means it will be like Z output will be equal to 0. Okay, and ideally it will be like this. So we can simply fill our table. The last one is transconductance, trans resistance, I mean trans resistance. Then our gain is equal V output divided by I input, and Z input or impedance input will be 0, as well as the Z in output will be also 0, So this will be our impedance, and this will be our gain. So in here, when we are discussing about the voltage, of the amplifier, in gain it will be V out by V in, this will be I out by I in, this will be I out by V in, this will be V out by V in, and that the impedance, it will be infinite 0, 0 infinite, infinite infinite, 0 0. So you have to memorize all this by heart if you want to move to any other step. So what is left for us is that a voltage series, current shunt, current series, and also voltage shunt. So these 4 topics we will discuss in lecture number 6. Okay, thank you so much.